Hello again, Crazy Oliver here. And here I just received a laser engraver from China, K40. So we're gonna unbox it now. You see how it's coming out. Let me put it in here. My table. Okay. So we're gonna unbox this. Let me see screwdriver to open it. Okay, the box coming a little cut and stuff. Just want to make sure the tube is good condition. There is another box inside another box. Good foaming. Okay, let's see. And here it is. So let me take this box. Oh, the other box. Okay, hold on. This you have to break in here like this because it's not the box not coming out good. So we have to take cook here. Okay. This, so we have to take this side out. Yeah, it's a little heavy. Okay, now we have to turn around. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I got too many stuff in here. Now we take this, all the styrofoam. Go. To turn this out. Yeah. I have a little problem here, so just a little bit. There we go. Now we put this over there to my styrofoam here. So much. Okay, let's put it now again in the front so you can see how it's coming in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is how they look when I open the second box. Styrofoam, and here is the laser engraver. Too many styrofoam, but that's good thing. Keep everything in place. Here coming. Oh, I don't know what is that. I know it's software, the USB cable, power cable, a little chip bag coming broken. So here we go. Okay, let me put you again here because I have to take this out. This is the hard part. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now, coming with plastic. All right. So let me take the plastic out. I have to check the light, the tube. This. There we go. Let's check the tube first. Let's check the tube together. And here's the tube. Oh, I forgot it's locked with a screw. Okay, so let me get a screwdriver. I just had in here. Disappear now. Styrofoam. Okay, I got water in the tube. I mean, they test it. Okay, so let's see the tube, how they look. This end, you see that cable? There should have a paste in there, and it's missing the paste in here. And I think this is a lock in here. Something? Oh no, that's to take it out. Okay. Let me put this back. I don't know, it's not even. I don't know why. Now it is good. So I'm gonna put it in the little table I make. Use it. Okay. Alright. Now let's put this. Okay. Here we go. Now, there's nothing here. Nope. Also, this one. No, this is not one. This one. Okay. Put it here. Okay. And take this out. Take this out of the place. There we go. Okay, I need a look. So I can open. It's open. Alright. That one was open. No screws. You can see how it was packed. That thing looks horrible packed. See this the tube, it was blocking the laser. Okay, this is I guess it's the water pump. Okay, this is not make any sense. This is too long. Yeah, here we go again. Okay, so in the package, the CD coming outside of the sleeve. Supposed to use your manual first. I see that. Okay, this is, I don't know what it is. Tape. Okay, USB dongle with a USB cable. Alright, then we have a power cord, American version, and cooking gin. New York. This is the silicone that you put it in that tube in the end. You see, they don't even put it in, but at least they have in here. And this bag is useless. Look at that. Freaking bag again. Unless you put in tape, but I don't think so. Okay, let's try. I'm coming back. Hello again. Okay, so this is the back size inlet. Another thing I noticed, this hose is very bad. I think I will change it. That's will update it. It's all cramped, looking bad. So I'm gonna install this now. Let me put in my 3D printer. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Let me see how that look. Good. Crispy. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this first. This is the inlet. Okay. Here we go. Let double check this inlet. Yes, that's what they say in the back. It's filled with, have a little water in there. I mean, they tested. Okay. Alright, let's put this in there. And let's put the bucket. I got a bucket of water, so I don't have to move this. Put the bucket of water in here. For now, this is provisional. Okay. Okay. Now, hopefully that work. I just want to make sure that okay. Then we have to put this one. Okay. This is the outlet. Okay, let me see. I can clip in here. Okay. Put water now. So I have to do something here. I don't want to get water everywhere in here. So I have to design something that work here. 1 second. Let me put it underneath this one. Here we go. There we go. I think I have to put it a little more. This is water, but I don't know. Maybe it's good. That's a good enough in there. Like sauce pour. This I know is going to be big. Everybody knows that. So see how they. But I print something for just for that. And tingle birds is those two shims, and you are stuck in here. Okay, just put it like that. Just bend a little bit, but this one like that, and it's close to here. See? Good. Now let's try putting everything together and coming back. Okay, again, so I use laser test the paper. You can see right here. Sorry, but I'm gonna laser test again. See, it's at 10%. Not bad. Let's put it on. Why here? I put it up 10. Okay, 20%. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to get the pad from the laser to here where it's going. So let's get the targets. This is the target, and I'm using these two things. You put in. I'll show you now. All right. I found this in engraver, so let's do this. You just cut it. Hello, we're back again. Crazy Boricua here, and unboxing and trying the new 4K laser engraver. And a lot of people take the plastic, the paper, they rip it out in the middle with the screws in. You're supposed to take the screw because the paper coming all the way down inside. Okay, so let's take the paper out, and it's easy that way. Otherwise, you're gonna keep paper inside the machine and the frame. So you just take a little bit in one corner, keep going down like this. See, this paper is, I don't know, a little cheap paper. You keep trying to go around the corner first. Okay, it's gonna be a little hard. This paper from the acrylic is always like that. But you try to get in the corner first, like that. And it's gonna break in the holes because they drill in there. So, and this one is cracked in that corner. So you keep going that way. Keep going. I already put a program in and have Windows 10 and it worked. I'm surprised. I think it's because that my computer before had a Windows 8, so that's maybe why it worked. So, and then after a while I do the upgrade. So this is the window. I have a low battery in my camera, so either cut it out. Sorry, I'm gonna try to put it in now. Let me put it in here so you people can see. Yeah, it's going here. The only thing you have to take the screws, put it back again, and then you have a nice clean. You know, no paper between the frame and the glass. Okay, let me come back. Hello again, YouTube. Crazy Boricua here again. I just started the first success in the 3D, 3D and the laser engraver. You can see. That's at 10.6%. That's not that much power, and it's going through the paper. So, yeah, so it's working. It's working. Alright, so let me come back again. Hello, Crazy Boricua here again. Okay, right now it's printing the laser engraver. So you can see how it's coming out. I trigger it. I learn. It's, for the price, you're gonna beat that. Alright, and I hope you like this video, and later I'm gonna do a video showing you how the program works. Alright, so thank you. Bye bye.